everybody, and welcome to the November unboxing of the Your Creative Studio Stationery subscription kit. This box just arrived. I was out of town for the entire week of Thanksgiving week last week, and I came home to a bunch of really great stuff. So let's just go ahead and get right into this. I can see the theme pretty clearly, but let's just go ahead and pull everything out. I like to pull the box out of the way so I can clearly see. So here is the little card and the little thank you note, but let's just go ahead and slide everything out. So just because it kind of came out all together, it looks like the paper this month is a vellum paper, and I hope that it's coming across pretty clearly, but I love playing with vellum paper, and it's been a while since we've had some, and these look like exclusive designs, so those are really pretty. I love this detail. This old floral. How pretty is that? Okay, so now that we have those out of the way, it looks like we have a stamp. Ooh, how fancy is that? Nice. It's like a little lady deer cameo. Let's see, I wonder if there's a boy version of it. I don't know, I don't see anything. Let's open this one. Ooh, okay. This one comes with a bunch of little mini ones. Lots of little stags. Those are fun. Alright. So here is the exclusive washi tape. Oh, it's a vertical one too. Oh man, that's a lot of designs. No repeats that whole time. That's a lot. These images are super crisp too. Like, they're made to look like there's a patina to them, but the printing is done really, really well. There's a crispness to the imaging. All right, here is another exclusive. This is something that we have not seen before in the past, but this is a magnetic bookmark with the stag image on and a little baby fawn there. So that's really pretty. We haven't seen that before. That's going to be great if you love to like set your planner up for the theme for the whole month. All right, here's another stamp, and we have another stag. So we've got some teeny tiny stamps and a medium stamp and a bigger one. Here is the exclusive sticky note for this month. Oh, I like the detail around the edge of that. That's cool. It kind of looks like a postage stamp. That's really fun. All right. Another exclusive item here. We have some tags. Look how she designed even the back card. So they're all the same, and they are punched already for you. And these are a thicker card. I don't know if you can hear that, but the images are all the same. It looks like you get 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Those are pretty. And I love that she's decorated the back card too. Oh, here's another paper. This is vellum paper. And the sticker sheet. So this sticker sheet is like, there's like a sheen to it that I can't, it's like laser printed, but like really well. I don't know, I can't tell. I can't like verbalize it. It just feels different this month. And then, like I said, these images are super crisp. So look how many exclusive items there are this month. That's a lot of exclusive items. So you have 5 different vellum sheets, a sticky note, stickers, a bunch of stamps, a bookmark, a washi, and tags. And that's just the exclusives. She also adds in a bunch of other things as well that have like a similar feel to the overall theme. So let's go ahead and check those out. We have a clear sticker sheet with some ferns on. And we have a pack of stickers that look like postage stamps. These are really beautiful. I love using these. I get these fairly frequently, not the whole pack, but between friends, and they're different, and I just absolutely love using them. So I'm happy to have another pack of these because these are just great for decoration. And if you don't have access to like real vintage worldwide postage, this is like a great option. Even if you did, this is completely guilt-free. You don't have to worry about wasting a perfectly good vintage postage stamp. So I love these. Here's another pack of stickers. Not super feeling these, but they're nice to share. They're washi stickers. That one's really, okay, maybe I do like them. I really like that one, obviously. These are good to save for maybe the spring. They don't make any sense for this month's kit, but they're still really pretty. And there's enough sheets here that they're easy to share. Next is a pack of what looks to be memo cards. Or maybe just a notepad. And I can see from the side that there are different designs here. So we've got, oh, this is going to be really great for using as address labels. So we've got this box, this grid, it's got like a yellow tint to it, another scalloped box, and some lines. Oh, this is so fun. Okay, these are perfect to use as mailing labels, and look how much you get. There's a freaking ton here. So I really like that because I can see myself using that instantly. And next we have a box of these vintage stickers. I've gotten these before, and I think they might have even come in a previous kit, but they're really fun. They have a fun vintage feel, and these, like I said, are guilt-free, and they're a fun size. And they're stickers, so you don't have to worry about adhesive, because you guys know how I feel about having adhesive on things, so I don't have to use my glue. All right, and I think that is it, my friends. So we have 5 items separate from the main like theme of things, and then we have, of course, all of the other exclusive items that go along with the theme. Let's see. I don't think I really need to to test the stamps anymore. I used to do that every month in the past because sometimes these stamps would have a really, before she started doing them exclusively, the stamps that she would get were notorious for not stamping well, but I just feel like now that she's doing her own designs, I haven't had a single issue with a single one of her stamps. So I will probably end up doing a journaling video with this later this month. So stay tuned for that. But I hope that you have enjoyed the unboxing. I will leave everything you need to find your creative studio down below. If you have any questions, as always, please feel free to leave them down in the comment section, and I will catch you guys later. Thanks for hanging out. Bye.